Three major announcements coming from Canada that are going to benefit a lot of professionals aspiring to move to the country. But what exactly are they? Hey guys, this is Aarti and let's see what Canada has in store for you. So let's jump straight to the today's video without getting it delayed. So announcement number 1 is digital nomad visas leading to PR. Well, already there are a lot of countries जो nomad visas देती हैं. So Canada just introduce हुआ है इस कैटेगरी में. So let's understand कि nomad visas क्या होते हैं. तो अगर हम nomad visa की बात करें, it is giving to the professionals जो remotely काम करते हैं. Suppose if you are staying in India but you are working for a Canadian company, so that means you are eligible for a nomad visa. So, as a part of this program which started earlier this month, digital nomads can apply for a temporary work permit and stay in Canada for an additional 3 years if they land a job with a Canadian employer. Plus, it's a great opportunity for those जिनको खाली सिर्फ जाके check करना है कि whether they are 100% sure to settle in Canada or not. क्योंकि इस वीज़ा के थ्रू आप टेम्परेरी वीज़ा लेके उस कंट्री में जा सकते हो. वहाँ पे कुछ टाइम बिताने के बाद आप डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि क्या आपको कनाडा में ही रहना है या आपको किसी और कंट्री में स्विच करना है. So this is a great news for the professionals. And from when this visa will gonna start? So by the end of 2023, this visa will be available. And जब भी कोई update इस visa के regarding आएगा, we will make another video. So do consider subscribing to our channel. Announcement number 2: open work permits without job offer for H1B workers. So if you are in US on H1B visa, so it will be easier for you to shift from US to Canada. As per the IRCC, H1B visa holder can apply for 3 years open work permit for Canada, and their spouse and dependents will also be able to apply for study or work permit in Canada. So this visa is expected to launch by the end of this month, and this scheme will be valid for 1 year or until 10,000 applications are received by IRCC. So you can share this message with your friends or family who are on H1B visa in US and wanted to move to Canada. Third and the biggest announcement is visa for tech workers without job offer, also known as IMP or International Mobility Program. So Canada is planning to launch this program by the end of this year, which aims to attract tech workers into Canada without the LMIAs, job offer or other restrictions. As per IRCC, up to 5-year open work permit visas will be granted to individuals. But who all can avail this visa? So first is who are highly skilled and are working in select in demand occupation, and number 2, worker holding offers from employers that are contributing to Canada's industrial innovation. So simply this means if you are in tech field, so it is easier for you to move from India or any other country to Canada. So ये 3 major announcements हैं जो अभी Canada के लिए आए हैं. Plus I'm adding few links in the description box regarding the news and the update. Do check that out. If you like today's videos, do like, share and subscribe, and keep watching Aarti Education.